dugay na ba ka nagplano nga mopalit og system or application? Ang uban naabot na gani sa point nga nagunahuna na nga magpahimo na lang mangita og programmer, bahalag mahal, bahalag dugay, just to solve their problem once and for all. Sa kadaghang buhatonon, hapit di na gyud mahuman, no? Di na gyud nato mabuhat tanan. Ang uban wala na gani kahibaw kung pila gyud ang ganansya or kung naabay mga nangawagtang, and because of this, sometimes grabe na gyud ang stress. Madala na gani nato hapit sa ato ang balay, di ba? Ang atong family, ang atong personal life affected na. For some, hapit sa office na nagpuyo, di ba? Well, daghan na ta. Hapit tanan akong mga kaila nga negosyante shares the same sentiment. It wouldn't hurt you if imo ning padayonon og tanaw till the very end. Because right here, right now, we will be introducing to you your new best friend. The command system is a complete business management system. Complete meaning it covers all 5 major operations of a business. So let me name those 5. Number 1, sales management. Number 2, inventory management. Number 3, accounting management. Number 4, workforce management. And the 5th most important process kay para makumpleto ning upat, the reporting management of a business. Sayang manggod kung nag-track ta og sales, sayang kung nag-track ta og inventory, pero di na to ma-consolidate and create a report nga ready anytime, anywhere para magamit ninyo. Mao gini kasagaran problema nato. Now, here in the Philippines, gamay ra kaayo og nag-offer nga system nga as complete as this. Most businesses nga mong nahibawan na ay POS, but we all know POS only covers sales and a little bit of inventory. Pero ang uban naapag gihapon hantod karon nagamit gihapon og Excel. Now Excel is the closest kanang we have to automating our business. And some, basig ikaw ni, basig usa ka ni, are still using and resorting to manual, meaning nagamit gyapon og notebooks and ledgers. It's not bad, but maybe pwede ta mo upgrade. And kung naman ka makita nga system that is as complete as this, I'm pretty sure grabe ka mahal, to the point nga mabuslot atong bulsa and dili na ta maka-afford. That's why most of us, kung nakaani nga point, muna-una jud ka og pahimo na lang og system. Muhire na lang og programmer. Again, as I've mentioned, not only this costs so much money, it also takes so much time. And worst, basig dili pa gyud mahuman. Here's where the magic begins, in your command system dashboard. The command system dashboard is like your command center. It's where you see the most important data of your business, but in a much simpler and fun way, anytime, anywhere, at a glance. In the main dashboard page, you would actually see several sections. So atong sugdan with total funds. If you view report, click on this button under total funds, what you can see here is an overview report of your finances. Meaning, makita nimo real time kung pilay sulod sa imong mga accounts. That includes Metrobank, BPI, cash on hand sa atong example. And if you can see, there's GCash. In the Philippines, GCash is widely used. Pati ka na, pwede na to i-capture real time. Now, this way, dili na ka maglabad. Surely, makaibaw ka, pila gyud ang imong finances anytime, anywhere. Now, second, we have total inventory balance. Now, if you click view report once again, you'll be going to a page nga ipakita sa imo how much your inventory value at cost is. Second, how much your inventory value at SRP price is. This way, you're always updated kung pila gyud on hand in terms of inventory. Third is total receivables. Fourth is total payables. Now, if you click on total receivables, you'll be led into a page. Dalhon ka sa page that will show you tanan imuhang dawatunon, your receivable accounts. On this page, there's the due date and kung kinsa ang naiutang nimo and the amount, of course. This way, wala joy makalusot ka utangan nimo, tanan masingil. It actually goes the same way with payables. Tanan ma-notify ka anytime, if you can see, kung pila ang imuhang payables and kung kinsa ang naakay utang. Dali ra pod kayo ang pag-track and monitor sa imong sales. Now, in this section of our sales report, pwede ra gyud ka mo tan-aw sa imong daily sales, weekly sales, monthly sales, even your annual sales. Now, below that, napad yung graph na ready. So, if you are a visual person, dako jud kay nigtabang nimo. Now, if you want to generate a ready-to-print, ready-to-report daily sales page, you can just simply click on Generate Report and instant nananagay report. Paspas ra jud kayo. Now, this works the same way for your expenses. So, below your sales, nadiha ang imong expenses. So, the same. You can do it daily, weekly, monthly, and even annually. If you need a ready-to-print report, you go ahead and click Generate Report, same as how sales work. And the icing on the cake sa atong dashboard section is the profit and loss statement section. Now, if you click on Generate Report, if you can see, instant, makahibaw ka sa imong net profit. Now, listen to me very carefully. Kasagaran sa mga business, ang i-monitor sales and expenses. Now, kasagaran sa mga businesses, most of them have a huge gross sales output, meaning dako kayo sila o gross sales. Pero bottom line, if di nato ma-monitor against expenses, we will not find out pila gyud ang atong net profit, resulting in losses. Dashboard pa lang, winner na! Now, ordinarily, if naa kay POS, here is how it looks like. So, as you can see, kompleto sad na sa the command system. You can process everything from cash payment. Actually, pwede mo process og other payment, meaning if ang payment is through GCash, through bank transfers, or through check. Now, you can also process payments if in case receivable. In short, utang. Pretty much, kung imong tan-awon, you can do almost everything sa POS nga naa built-in sa the command system daan. Kanatong system, dili lang limited sa POS. We actually have customer database also, wherein we are tracking every transaction nga nahitabo under the customer name. Look at this. Customers can even send reviews sa performance sa business. So, kompleto, sales report, unsa ilang order, ilang mga reservation or quotation, it is here under their customer information. Amongst those things, daghan pa. We track discounts, taxes, orders and reservations, quotations, job orders, even deliveries. And take a look at this, mo nindot ka. Bantay ka ng kailangan nimo i-audit real time every day kung pilay sales sa imuhang cashier para di jud ka makawatan. It's as simple as a click of a button. All you need to do is click on Generate Cash Report, select the date. Example, it's September 2. Click OK, choose the cashier, generate. Automatic iyang i-generate kung pila ang sales, exactly pila ang kwarta nga iyang nadawat, so that inigrimit niya, you will know nga walay gikawat. Now, another feature or highlight is pwede ra gyud ta mag-generate og QR and barcode sa ato ang mga products. Just a click of a button again, select lang ta, QR atong i-generate. Once we submit, the system automatically generates in QR. If ang atong i-generate, if you want barcode, pwede pod. Click lang ko barcode, select ko item, submit, barcode yung i-generate. Now, this is very helpful kay para imog yung ma-identify o categorize sakto ang imuhang mga items. Daghan pagkayo og kaya buhaton sa inventory management pa lang daan, we even track components. Now, listen very carefully kung basig kinahanglan ka ginani. Some of us manggod natay product gibaligya that is composed of several products. A perfect example is kanang sa Jollibee. Kanang naa sila value meal number 1. Ang sulod sa value meal number 1 na rice, na chicken, diba? O na gravy. Kana, it is composed of 3 items. Pwede na nato buhaton sa atong system. It's called bundled item. Kaya para maihap yun nimo, as soon as mo gawas na nga bundled item, mo deduct siya sa specifically sa iyahang components. Perfect, di ba? Now, also, under inventory management, kung mo makita, these are the items under it. Grabe ka detailed, mo gani surface lang ato ang scratch. Under workforce management, kani, di nakakinahanglan nga mugamit pa og extra biometrics kay mismo na natay built-in biometrics, and sa built-in biometrics na to na time in time out, ang lunch, ang break, overtime monitored, pati ang field work sa imong mga tao. Kung mugawas sila sa office, monitor na to ilang location. Naiupat ka way for our timekeeping system, which is user credentials, pwede mo scan sa ID, pwede sa biometric or the usual fingerprint scanning, pwede sa facial recognition. Perfect yung kayo ni. Actually, gi-cover na gina to tanan. Dili lang na ko ma-explain no individually kay grabe ka daghan jud ang features. We even have employee reporting. Kanilang daan, overview, kita na nako. Pila ang headcount, pila ang male, ang female, pila ang under management, pila ang contractual, probationary, regular, pati ang total payroll or average age sa ato ang workforce. Ang reporting, grabe ka hapsay, grabe ka organized. So, daghan pa, pati file HR 201, compiled yun na siya tanan. So, let me show it to you. So, sa employee database, if madto ka action, you can view, daghan kayo siya buttons, you can view employee profile. Even under accounting management, the basics are there. It covers ledger, it covers our accounts payable, receivable, all the fund transfers that happened, and the credit and debit transactions of our businesses. Kompleto gyud siya, as in. Kung ako gini siyang usa-usahon no kanang makaingon jud ka nga tanan imong gipangita na dinhi. Wow! You're still there! Joke ra. Bitaw, on a serious note, now pretty much we have explained to you what the command system is. We have shown you glimpses of what the command system can do for you and why we said it's your new best friend. So give us a call and message us right now so that we can assist you with your inquiries. Or better yet, let's set up a demo. We are actually offering a free trial system. Nga naman, para makasiguro gyud nga ang system makatabang sa imuha, maugyod ni imong gipangita at no cost at all.